Stand straight with your feet shoulder width apart, toes pointing slightly outward. Inhale and push your hips back like sitting in a chair. Lower your hips as much as possible, keeping your back straight. Push through your heels, stand up and tighten the glutes. Keep your weight on the heels. Don't let your heels buckle in. Keep your neck parallel to the floor. Stand straight with your feet shoulder width apart, toes pointing slightly outward. Inhale as you lower down in a squat. Exhale as you jump up explosively. Land in a squat position to prepare for the next rep. Your knees should not buckle inwards. Push off from the ball of your foot. Land softly on your midfoot and then on your heels. Keep your back straight. Keep your core tight throughout. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and your hands by your side. Jump raising your hands up and land in a quarter squat to place both your hands on the floor in front of you. Jump back with both your feet back in a plank position. Your hips stay parallel to the floor. Jump forward or step forward keeping hips high and stand up. Jump back into a strong plank position without sinking from the hips. Keep the core engaged throughout. Land softly as you jump forward. Jump back into a strong plank position without sinking from the hips. Keep the core engaged throughout. Land softly as you jump forward. Jump back into a strong plank position without sinking from the hips. Keep the core engaged throughout. Land softly as you jump forward. Lie down with your lower back flat on the mat. Keep your arms at chest level, reaching towards the ceiling. Lift your legs until they are over your hips, knees slightly bent. Inhale to prepare. Exhale, crunch from your chest and shoulders to reach your toes. Avoid jerking the neck. Do not use momentum from your arms. Keep your lower back flat on the floor. Your abs must be tightened throughout. Get into the plank position. Inhale. Initiate a push-up by bending your elbows. At the same time, lift your left leg to tuck your left knee in towards the left elbow. Exhale, keeping the entire body engaged. Push back up and return the left foot back into a plank. Inhale and lower down without sinking from your hips or neck. And lift your right leg to tuck your right knee in towards your right elbow. Exhale, return to a plank. Avoid sinking from your neck or shrugging. Keep your shoulders back, away from the ears, and your abs tight. Don't hold the breath. Do the push-up on your knees and then do knee tucks on either side in plank if unable to maintain the form. Lie on your belly, arms straight and overhead. Lift your arms, ribcage and legs simultaneously. Hold for a few seconds. And lower them down together. Lie on your belly, arms straight and overhead. Lift your arms, ribcage and legs simultaneously. One line from the neck to upper back. Chin remains tucked in and lift from the chest. Instead of lifting higher, think about creating length. Lift your legs up from the thighs. Do not bend elbows and knees during the hold. Tighten the abs during the hold. Think about reaching to the opposite side of the room.